Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's world. And today I'm feeling really refreshed. Got a little bit of sleep last night. The work week already, and it's not even over with yet, is beating me down. But it's gonna be all right. Let's get ready to check out this watch face review that I know you're gonna love. Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back for another video, and today we got a couple of awesome watch faces to check out. Now this one is the watch face of the week, and the next one that's coming is just a bonus, right? Now the watch face of the week is by LLooke. Now LLooke definitely always gets down on some awesome watch faces, right? And the creativity is definitely high. Now, the name of the watch face is called LLooke One. I thought I would take you way back. This is probably the first one within the series that this guy has been making, and I'm telling you, it's been looking really, really good. Now, it made the cut because of the layout and the essential shortcuts that I placed within this watch face. Now, in the always on mode, this one looks pretty much the same as what it would look when it's on. It's just lit up in blue. Very nice look. But when it's on, I like the essentials. I like the layout. The design is very nice. And on top of it, it is free. So make sure you download this right after the video. Cool? Up at the top, you got the month, you got your date. You also get where you can tap into your weather, go into your messages. Also, you come down, you can make a phone call as well. And you got the battery info, not only with the number percentage, but also a meter, which gives it a little nice character. I like this one, right? Now, also, you're going to get calories burned to the left. Also, your heart rate information to the right, miles walked or ran, and you're going to get what's important to many people, which are the steps. You also get your digital time. Can't forget about that. Lay it out right in the middle, along with the developer's name. So I'm thinking this is definitely an awesome look. And what I like about it most is it's not a double tap. It's a single tap to change the color theme of this watch face. And it gives you a few in all. And I thought this was really, really awesome. I thought the guy did a really good job on this. And yes, the watch face is interactive. So if you need to go in, check out your weather, send a text message, make a phone call, you can do that with this watch face. I'm telling you, it's worth the download in the Gear Manager store. Check it out. With that being said, let's check out watch face number 2. Okay, you all, bonus watch face number 2. And I know already you've seen this one before, but listen, hear me out, right? This one here is nice compared to LLooke number 12, and this one here is LLooke number 12 green. Now, what I like about this one is that it gives it a little bit more flavor to it with the color down at the bottom. So I'm liking this a little bit better. I thought you might wanted to see this. Maybe you didn't like the first one. Maybe you would like to have a little bit of flavor to that particular watch face. So I thought I'd go ahead and do a review. The always on mode still looks the same. The display here still looks the same. It's still interactive. So if you tap on certain places within the watch face, you can customize the theme. You can go into certain applications, and it's a good look. Now, if I'm not mistaken, they have blue, they have red, and I believe they also have yellow. You can locate these in the Gear Manager store. I suggest you give this developer a look because he has some awesome watch faces within his lineup. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the watch face of the week. I hope you enjoyed it. In my area, the sun is finally shining. The rain has gone away for a few minutes, and we're going to enjoy the rest of the day off. All right, you all, enjoy the rest of your day. Enjoy Hump Day, and I will see you all again at the next video. Take care.